Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can update your Windows 10 on your laptop and desktop. So whichever company laptop or desktop you have, it might be of Lenovo, Asus, Acer, HP or some other company. So the procedure is the same. You have to follow same on the desktop as well on the laptop. So what you have to do is watch the video till the end. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your Windows 10 search box, and after that type their settings. After that go to settings, and then here at the top you will find the option for Windows Update. If it does not appear, so what you have to do is scroll down and go to Update and Security. After that click on Windows Update, and here you will see that if there are pending updates for your laptop, it will show up here. As my laptop is up to date, so I don't require any updates. So like this you can update your Windows 10 manually on your desktop and laptop. So viewers, hope so you liked my video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.